Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5, chapter determinant, exercise 1. So our exercise 1 questions are good for revision of the basic concept. So this is also one of the question number 24. A matrix is given to us and we have to find the inverse of the matrix. So if you look at the matrix which is given to us, whenever we have to find the inverse exists only for non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix matlab the determinant value of that matrix, determinant value of that particular matrix should not be 0. Now, you can find the determinant value of a matrix only when the matrix is a square matrix. Only when the matrix is a square matrix, the determinant will exist. So the given matrix is not a square matrix, meaning we cannot find the inverse of the. Thank you.